So as you enter the room, this is our little kitchenette area. So you have a microwave and a toaster. There's some plastic cutlery up there for you to use. And in this one, you have some kitchen roll and a nice bucket and some glasses. There's a sink. You have like the big Joffrey's coffee. Oh, an English breakfast tea, which we didn't even have at our resort. You've got a fridge, which has also got a little freezer at the top. And then in this one, you've got a bin. So it's quite a complete little kitchenette there. This would be your adjoining door to another room if you so wish to choose. And this is the bathroom. Hey! Very excited to be here. So in here you've got the bath and shower. It's all very on theme with all animals on the tiles. Very cute. And then your standard Disney toiletries now. And then we have a massive sink area which has got like plenty of storage space with extra toilet rolls, extra towels. Even got a little drawer. Sink, massive mirror. Hey. And then the little mirror with the lights for like magnifying mirror toilet in its own little room that is ever so slightly weird to me. Oh, full length mirror on the back. Outfit of the day. And then going through into the room, this is like your a bit more wardrobe space. It's got an iron, it's got the extra pillars and blankets, plus the safe. Then we have a wardrobe here again, very on brand. All in the theming. Won't show you in there because that's where we're currently storing a bag. Beautiful TV with our names on it. Welcome us to Animal Kingdom Lodge. And then all your drawer space here. Then we have one big bed. It's huge. It's all very well themed. You've got the little side table with the phone and the remote. Then because this is DVC, we have a seating area too. So you've got a nice sofa with little table and then a little table and chair with another mirror. You've got something about the conservation fund here because we're at Animal Kingdom, so they're all about that. We have the new Hey Disney system. Hey Disney, tell us a joke.
Gosh, I know lots of jokes. How about why is the street always so angry?
I don't know.
I can't say that I've noticed.
'Cause folks are always trying to cross it.
Very funny. Thanks, Disney.
Goofy.
And then when you come out onto our lovely balcony, we've got two chairs. Alistair. Oh, they've got a zebra on it. Is the other one? Yeah, zebra chairs. And then we have the most magical view. So you might be able to spot there's a giraffe just in there. There's loads of animals sort of like out in the distance over there. Some birds and everything. Oh, is our other animal friend gone? There was another animal friend that we didn't know what it was over here. But yeah, it's a really nice